Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing what I eat in a day while I am pregnant, and today is a collaboration with Allie Marie here on YouTube. She is currently pregnant with her first daughter and she's nearing the end of her pregnancy, so we thought it'd be fun to incorporate some pregnancy videos, especially for me. I'm only doing updates as of right now, but I wanted to incorporate more, and I thought it'd be fun if we shared with you what we eat in a day because we consume a whole lot more calories and there's a whole lot more food to show you guys. If you're coming from Allie's video, welcome. My name is Maddie. I have a son. He will be a year old the 30th, which is coming up so soon. Absolutely crazy. I just moved into my own home. A lot of things are happening. So welcome to my channel where I basically just share what it's like being a mom so young in my life and, you know, showing you how to manage a social life and being a mom. So welcome. Yogurt and granola. Ah! So this is what I'm eating, just a ham sub and then low-fat vanilla yogurt with, I think it's Wegmans organic blueberry and flax.
white chocolate mocha with cream and foam and swirls. They're gone. Gotta drink it like a Guinness.
Want to try mine? Mine is a mocha iced latte.
I bet you're sure.
Why? It's made of cardboard. If you do it, it's gonna like crumble.
It's bitter. I don't like it.
And then some of these scones.
Mine is good.
I don't know what they're called. Alright, so right now it is 8:30, which is pretty late, but I just got home and I'm heating up last night's dinner because I had a lot of leftovers, and we ate chicken fajitas, and I'll show you everything I put in there. But right now I'm about to make Brussels sprouts. Hi! I'm about to make Brussels sprouts, and that probably sounds so disgusting. Like, Brussels sprouts was the thing I hated the most as a kid. They were just so flavorless. It was literally like eating grass, but I've learned how to saute them, and oh my god, they're so amazing. And Kevin asks for them every single night now. Like, even when I don't want to make them, he begs me to make them just for him. So I'm gonna make some. He is out getting burgers with his friends, so he will be back soon, and he's definitely gonna want some. So I'm gonna show you. Please do not throw food. I'm going to show you how I make Brussels sprouts, and you should definitely try them because they're amazing and they're so good for you. So I'm going to make those. I'm going to make chicken fajitas. Everything's already prepped. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to show you what I put in our chicken fajitas. And I'm on my 4th mason jar of water. I really don't drink a lot of water. I try to, but I'm still putting the lemons in it. So I use the same lemons throughout the entire day. I just keep filling it up with water. I don't like it to taste too lemony, if that makes sense. I don't want it doused with lemon. So I'm doing that right now, and I'm cutting up my Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to show you how I make everything. So I just used the family size pack of Brussels sprouts from Wegmans, and I just cut them up. I cut the stems off, and then I cut them into smaller pieces so they're easier to cook. Okay, so in my chicken fajitas, I just have sliced chicken, and then I have red and orange peppers. Hi! And then I just have onions in there, and then the seasoning I use is just like McCormick fajita seasoning. I didn't buy like all the different seasonings. It's so much easier that way, and it doesn't take as much time. So, and then I literally just like cut up tomatoes and then lettuce, and then I have cheese, which I put all over the wraps that I'm going to use, and then I put this on it and then I put it in the microwave because it softens the tortilla wrap and it's easier for me to fold. So I'm waiting for the Brussels sprouts to heat up, and then I will heat up all of this together. Put this on last, and then I'll add sour cream to it. These honestly take a little while, but I like to put water in them to soften them and get them cooked all the way through. And then I'll turn the heat up, and I kind of like them almost burnt in a way. And I'll add a little bit more butter, and then I'll start putting like the seasonings in. But oh my gosh, this is my favorite part of dinner, honestly, are the Brussels sprouts. They smell so good. Alright, so these are the wraps that I'm using, and then I'm just going to put it on a plate and put some chicken on there, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave with cheese on top, and then I'm going to put sour cream and the rest of the garnishes on. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I know I didn't do a lot of food prep and show you guys a lot of snacks and like extra things. I just got over having the stomach flu like about 5 days ago, so I haven't really been eating a lot, or excuse me, as much as I have been. I do plan on making more of these videos. Hopefully a little bit more in depth and with more food to show you guys, because I will be consuming more calories by then. Anyway, Allie's video will be linked in the description below, and if you want to see more videos from me, subscribe so you can be notified when I post. Landon's first birthday is coming up, so I'll have that video up. I can't speak. And I'm also super out of breath. I will also be having another pregnancy update up in about 2 days. I have to film that. The flu totally threw me off schedule with the videos that I have been wanting to post. But other than that, give this video a like if you enjoyed it. It means a lot to me and my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.